Today I'm going to show you how to make a velvet scrunchie. We're going to use Bernay Velvet Yarn by Yarnspirations. I got mine at Michael's. It's a super nice yarn and it doesn't show the stitches very well, so it's great for scrunchies. If you want something else, you should also use another weight 5 yarn. You're also going to need a simple black hair tie without the metal clasp. I got mine on Amazon, and a 6mm crochet hook. We're going to start by making a simple slip stitch. I do it over my finger. It's the easiest way I've ever found. And then just put it on the hook. And you're going to start by making one single crochet on the hair tie. Also, I'm going to show you how to hold the yarn so you have one less end to tuck in. Hold it against the hair tie, and you're going to crochet around it just like you're crocheting around the hair tie. So a single crochet is super simple. All you're going to do is stick your hook around the hair tie, yarn over, pull through, yarn over one more time, and pull through 2 stitches. So what you're going to want to do for this entire scrunchie is just single crochet all the way around. You want it to be tight enough that you have quite a few extra around the hair ties so that this makes the ruffles, but you don't want it to be so tight that it's stretching the hair tie out more than it normally is. If you've made quite a few single crochets on here, you might want to scrunch them down a little bit so you can add extra like I was mentioning before. This will allow you to make room for extra single crochet so that you have a few extra around the hair tie, which will give you that ruffle effect when we get to the next row. And now that we're getting to the end of the first row of single crochets, we're going to attach with a slip stitch through the first single crochet to finish this row. And now you're going to chain 2. And this is what it should look like now. It's just one row of single crochet around the entire hair tie. Now for the next row, we're going to place another double crochet in the same stitch that we just did the slip stitch join in. This row is going to be 2 double crochet in every stitch around to give us that ruffle effect. A double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to be placing 2 double crochet in every single crochet from the previous row. Now that we're getting close to the end, there's just going to be a little trick that I use to make sure this is an extra full scrunchie. This is what it looks like that you have right now. You technically double crocheted all the way around, and now we're going to place 2 more double crochets in the first stitch that the chain 2 is coming from. This will just ensure that there are no gaps when you finish off the scrunchie. After you complete the last double crochet, you're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 2 that you created from the first round. Just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through both stitches, chain 2, and then you're going to cut off, and this is your scrunchie. You're all set. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all liked this retro velvet scrunchie tutorial. It's super simple and a great accessory. Be sure to give my page a follow. Thanks.